Looking for a simple way to keep your grill clean and free from caked-on grease in your commercial kitchen? Noble Chemical's Griddle Kleen liquid grill and griddle cleaner makes it easy. This fast-acting glycerin-based formula quickly removes grease, providing a simple solution for your cleaning needs. This EPA Safer Choice-certified solution is non-flammable and should be used on a preheated surface for best results. To use, make sure your griddle is between 300 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then simply pour Griddle Kleen over your griddle. Immediately spread and scrub the liquid over the griddle top. Then wipe anything on the surface into the grease trough, turn off the griddle, and rinse. Wipe the griddle with a damp cloth and apply a thin coating of liquid shortening to protect it from rust. It's that easy. Noble Chemical's Griddle Kleen comes in both a 32-ounce bottle and 3-ounce packets, providing a convenient cleaning solution to fit your needs. To simplify your griddle cleaning process, Noble Chemical's Griddle Kleen liquid grill and griddle cleaner is a necessity.